Hello guys, back to this course. We are going to in here, right? Currently after in the previous video we are talking about Swagger Open API, which is the API documentation. So for now we are gonna talk about caching, which is Redis. We are going to use Redis as a caching. Okay, so the objectives is we are going to add Redis to Docker Compose for the high speed in memory caching medium, right? And then we are going to implement the cache aside pattern, read from cache first, if empty then read from db and save to cache. And then we solve the cache invalidation problem. We ensure the cache is deleted when the data is changed, so the data is will be the updated one. Okay, so now we are gonna do is Redis Caching. So I want to add this one. So we are going to get wallets / me. This one check in Redis. If yes, then if exists in Redis, then return from the Redis. But if not, then query from MySQL and save to Redis and return. This is what we are going to do. For example, the rule is like this. It'll always initiate on write, mean that when balance increase or decrease, maybe after transfer, we need to delete. We must delete the cache key in Redis. So the next balance will from MySQL, because then the next balance check request is forced to fetch the latest data from the MySQL database. Okay, so what we are gonna do right now, we going to add Redis to the Docker Compose. Our Docker Compose has MySQL, and then I wanted to create the other, which is Redis, and then image Redis 7 Alpine, and container name should be go wallet Redis, and then ports 6379 restart always. Guessing this will do, right? See, columns. Then I want to check by docker compose app -d. Let me check. Okay, I would like to access the app. Okay, well, let me check Docker desktop. I think they will download the volume if we don't have one. Yeah, they will download, and then they will start the Go wallet. Yes, this one we have the images, and then the containers we have both Go Redis and MySQL. And then I want to try, what is this, like this should be okay. Yeah. Okay, I think this is good. this is good. Yeah. Okay, then we go to the we first we check out dash b feature 00 should be episode 13, I think. Okay, 13 Redis Caching. Then we are going to go get github.com/redis/go redis v9, and then we update the don't forget to update the Redis host and Redis port. I want to copy here from example to here. Redis host should be localhost, and then port should be 6379. Okay, and then open the internal config go internal config go. We are going to add the new here, which is Redis address should be os.git get env Redis host plus this one colon, and then os.get env should be Redis port. Okay, Redis port. Okay, I think this should be good. We add here Redis address, Redis add and string, and then we Redis should be Redis. Okay, I think this one should be okay. And in the load config, okay, and we go to the internal, we create the database wrapper for the Redis here, redis.go, and package database func connect Redis should be address string, and then Redis client, and then error. What is this error mean? That okay, I think we have v9. I think, yeah, this one should be the v9. I delete the first one. Wait, just type and then type RDB. Just click type and then they give me the code. That's not good. I need to know what I am code here, so yeah, I code manually first, and then address, and then password should be empty string. Okay, default password is empty string in the local, and then the db 0 use the file db lah, and then checks connection. I want to go cancel and context, and with timeout, yeah, and then context.background, and then 3 time the second. Yeah, this should be okay. Defer cancel, and then error rdb.ping context, and then result. Okay, and then if error nil, return nil, and error log.println successfully connected to Redis. Okay, return db rdb command. Wait, I think we have the other, yeah, we have the log, we have log, right? And I think the logger should be okay. I want to change from log println to logger. logger. Yeah, should be okay. We have internal logger, so we use internal logger. And then we are going to implement caching in the wallet service. Caching in wallet service. We'll modify the wallet service here. Then get wallet by user ID. Then I want to create here cache key fmt.printf wallet user %s user ID, and then check if data exists in Redis. Okay, check file and error s.rdb s.rdb we don't have yet the rdb. This one should be rdb redis client, redis the v91, right? And then we wallet service should have comma, and then rdb we pass the here rdb redis client in the params, and then yeah, I think we can have rdb now, and then get and context cache key and result. If error not nil, mean we have an error. If error is redis.nil, if not redis nil, yeah, this one should redis is down or has an issues, don't fail the request. Then logger, we have the internal logger warn context redis error during cache lookup falling back to MySQL. Okay, and then we comma wait, then we comma here. I want to go like this to make it more readable. Error error and user ID user ID. Okay, this one should be okay. And then wait, okay, this one should be okay. And then wait, I want to here in catch miss already down. This one should be logger.info context catch miss for wallet fetching from MySQL. I add the other params, which is user ID and user ID. I think no need the page. Yeah, this one. Then if this else not an error, catch hit. This one should be catch hit. So we need to deserialize JSON string to model.wallet struct. Okay, how to do that? That would be here model.wallet, and then if error json.unmarshal byte cache file to wallet. Okay, if error equal to nil, logger info catch hit for wallet returning from Redis and return wallet and nil. Okay, we add this one, this reliable data falling back to MySQL. Can also here I want to make it more readable. Okay, like this is okay, right? I think what is this one, wait, yeah. And then the other is wallet error as repo get user by ID and return if error return wallet not found, and then we add more, which is save to Redis for 5 minutes TTL for now. And what we wallets byte error json.marshal wallet wait w only. Okay, should be I want to make it readable wallet, no problem, to add the wallet here and here and here and here wallet. And if error equal nil, so I want to ask rdb set context cache key wallet bytes 5 times minutes. This one should be okay. And then invalidate cache in transaction service. We need to invalidate cache in transaction service. Wait, we have an error here. We need to repository mock wallet repo. We need to add the mock add the Redis client as well. We ask AI later, but now we are going to wait. I want to ask right now lah. So please check. So they will go to check, and then we will try to invalidate cache in transaction service, which is transaction service and in the service. Then we go to the inside tx commit transfer in after tx commit here. Oh, I already has this one. Already done this. And then okay, sorry for the AI one. I wanted to check in here the after the commit the db. After commit the db tx commit, we need to invalidate Redis. Invalidate cache Redis. So this one should be sender cache key wallet user, and then plus sender user ID, plus sender user ID, and then this one receiver cache key, receiver cache key, wallet user receiver user.id. We want to delete this. Delete the cache case asynchronously. So don't block HTTP response. Okay, because if this blocking the HTTP response, it will be make the response more longer. And how to do that? We did this one, go func, and then this invoke inside after the function, and as.rdb del dot sender cache key, and then receiver cache key. But we have this one error, so we need to add here in here. What RDB should be Redis v9 dot. Wait, we have this one, the client. And then we also here RDB. Wait, RDB here should be RDB as well. RDB. Okay, I think this should be good. And then here we don't have an error, but the error in the services test should be appear again in here, because we are not mocking the service transaction. We need to have RDB as well. Okay, so we check what AI do here. He adding logger. Why did he adding logger here? What should they do with the logger, man? Wait, what did they do with the logger? You don't need logger, right? I think I want to check here and then I reject later, because I want only the how the AI do. So we have Redis mock from Go Redis. So I will do like this, and then in the test one, mock repo and db mock repo db. I want to create the db mock here, rdb mock redis, defer mock redis expectations format. Expectation format is it here? Expectation format defer mock redis. I want to, this should be the mock redis mock from here, new client mock, and only two, which is rdb and then mock redis. The mock redis expect like this one. So I think I want to accept this first, and I want to delete this logger. Let me check if I delete the logger, what will it happens. I'm not sure, so I want to check. Go test here, the wallet service error. I think panic. Wait, if I go back with this one, oh, I see, they need a logger in it as well. Okay, I'm sorry, so I will not delete this one again. Okay, and then the RDB mock ready should be continue. I will ask AI for do that. Please fix the service test under transaction as well. Okay, I think he will try to check the catch deletion with the go routine introduce challenge, and then yeah, they add a time Redis mock and SVC. He passed the RDB, and then expect catch invalidation also, and this is in botanical catches catch. I think receiver not found, insufficient balance. Yeah, I think that should be okay. Yes, allow this time for checking, and then okay, I think that's all good. So we update the CMD for now, the command, because main.go. Why they add this main.go? Because we need to add by ourselves, but he tried to create this one. I think okay, I think this should be okay, and this one also use RDB is okay, and then but we need to do the defer RDB dot close for now. So okay, this connect to Redis and RDB dot close, and then I want to try with the test. Go test catch no test file, and then this one catch. Okay, I think this all should be okay. Okay, this one should be fine, and then we try go run cmd main.go. We try to check. We should log in first, right? With this free run account, and then I wanted to try to go to the token, and then I think the wallets me not yet, wallets me we don't have yet here. Okay, I want also here to be updated, protected, this one protect user ID, and this get profile handler, it should be no, but I want here protected as well, user ID, but wallets me should be okay. Wallets me, I want wallets me is get, so I just duplicate this one. This should be wallets me, should be okay. I hit the first one is 77 millisecond, and we got a balance 90. Okay, and then yeah, this one is 80, and if we checking on here catch miss, first is catch miss for wallet and fetching from SQL, and then the second one is log catch hit for wallet returning from Redis. This is expected, and then I think that's all for now. We don't forget to go mod init, go mod tidy every time after we go get, we need to promote idea. I want to check the order, which is go pass swag init main go, this one. And then if we do the go run gmd dot, we should get localhost 8080 swagger index html. We have the other one, which is register new user and user profile and get my profile, and this one should be good. We have list of the API here. I think that should be okay. And thank you. I will upload this and merge again, so you can do as well. And thank you for this course. We'll see you in the next course. Bye bye.